There are 5 boss toe foundational tricks. The boss tap, the boss stop, the boss out, the boss swipe, and the boss W pivot. Each of these tricks are unique, but they are all connected. Let's start off with the boss tap. Full disclosure, the boss tap is not a trick that I made up. It's actually an extremely common move in a lot of roller skating styles, but I adapted it for the boss toe course because you do it on your toes and it's kind of easy. And 2, this is going to be the move that helps you reset, get your balance, and go into another move. Because when you're skating on your toes, you don't have the same strength and ability to create movement as you do on all fours. By tapping your skates together and then pushing out, this gives you the opportunity to create momentum. In order to do the boss tap, you're going to start off with your feet shoulder width apart. Then you're going to come up on your toes and push your left foot forward and bring your right foot back. Then you're gonna bring your right foot in as you're bringing your left foot back. It's extremely important that you move both legs while you're doing this. And you're gonna turn your hips and your arms 15 degrees to tap your skates together, and then you're gonna push back out. And this is known as the boss tap. In order to do this on the other side, you're going to turn your hips to the right instead of turning your hips to the left.